In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split text in Microsoft Excel. If you have a column of text in Excel and you want to separate that information into multiple columns, Excel has a built-in tool that makes the process quick and easy. This is especially useful when you're working with names, addresses, or any data that has been combined into a single cell. In this example, we'll split text using spaces as the separator. To begin, select the cells that contain the text you want to split. For example, you might highlight a range like A2 through A5. Make sure you only select the cells you want to modify because Excel will apply the split to everything in that selected range. Once your cells are selected, go to the Data tab in the Excel ribbon at the top of the screen. This tab includes several tools for organizing, cleaning, and transforming data, and the one we need is located here. Next, click Text to Columns. This opens the Convert Text to Columns wizard, which will guide you through the setup. It's a simple step-by-step tool that helps you tell Excel exactly how your text should be divided. In the wizard, you'll need to choose the data type. You'll see two options, delimited and fixed width. Delimited means the text is separated by characters such as spaces, commas, or tabs. Fixed width means the text should be split at specific character positions. For this example, choose delimited since we're working with text separated by spaces, and then click Next. Now choose the delimiter. Since the names in this example are separated by a space, check the space option. This tells Excel where each split should happen. You may notice a preview at the bottom of the window showing how your data will look once it's divided, which is a helpful way to confirm you've selected the correct separator. After that, click Next. In the final step, you can choose the destination if you want the split results to appear in a different location. This part is optional. If you leave it as is, Excel will place the separated data into the current area, which may overwrite nearby columns if they contain data. So it's a good idea to check your worksheet first. When you're ready, click Finish. Excel will instantly split the text into separate columns. And that's how to split text in Microsoft Excel using text to columns.